beard or clean shaven?
With beard.
Have you seen me clean shave ever?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've seen your one of like Purana episodes.
Acha.
Okay.
It's
$1 million.
$1 million.
Okay. Vikram in traditional or formal?
Traditional.
Okay. As Atharva, funny, intense or angry? How do you like Atharva?
Intense.
Intense. Okay. How different is Vikram from Atharva? If you can explain in one line.
He's as perfect as Atharva.
Oh, great, great. Favorite quality of Vikram?
That he's too sweet and he understands everyone and he's so calm and उसको गुस्सा नहीं आता. So I just like his calmness sometimes. Like गुस्सा आता है, I've seen that too, but मुझ जैसा जल्दी नहीं आता. So I just like that quality in him.
Okay, the most cutest.
And I can be like damn comfortable with him. I can talk any nonsense thing, whatever is happening in my personal life also. So we share that kind of a personal bond.
Which is really great. Okay, the cutest habit of Vikram.
When he's blush. He read the comment and be like, देखो यार क्या है शिवानी.
Okay, Vikram's most annoying habit, if there's any.
There is none.
Okay, sweetest thing Vikram has done for you. Vikram has done for you.
Booked her tickets.
Yeah.
That I think.
Yeah.
So most of the time she wants to go somewhere, I book her tickets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most of the time, like every time.
Every time.
Team Vitharva or Team Ravida? Your favorite?
Both.
Okay.
No, guys, calm down. Both.
Okay, Vikram's best physical feature. Again, he's blushing.
Physical feature, like not that like physical. Whenever the slow motion shot is like, लगता है तब विक्रम बस ऐसे कर देता है. So that's look quite nice.
Okay, great. Vikram is a better dancer or a singer?
Easy.
None.
That was so easy.
I'm so sorry, Vikram.
Okay.
But no, he sings sometimes. अच्छा. Sometimes.
Acha. How proud or thankful are you to have Vikram as a co-star and why?
See, I guess we have developed that kind of a bond. So yeah, I'm very thankful to have such a sweetest friend in my life. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Nikku?
She's very happy.
Okay, if you have to choose one, as an actor, as a co-actor, friend or human?
Human.
Okay. And the last is kill, hook up and marry for you, Ranveer, Hrithik and Vikram. So who will you kill, who will you marry and who will you hook up with? It's hypothetical.
See now, I can't even marry Vikram. I can't even hook up with Vikram.
And you can't even kill?
Kill him.
Okay.
So Vikram is out of.
Okay, and Ranveer and Hrithik?
So probably I might get married to Ranveer and hook up with Hrithik.
You're not going to kill anyone?
No, I don't want to kill anyone.
Okay, great. Now, Vikram, it's your turn. Favorite quality of Shivani?
Favorite quality of Shivani is that she is very frank and
Okay.
very on the face, and I like that about her.
Okay.
कोई ऐसा मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सामने कुछ है और पीछे कुछ और है.
जी.
That's the best thing that an actor can have. And,
Right.
whatever she is in front of, गुस्सा आता है तो बिल्कुल सामने आ जाता है. और
हाँ.
sweet है तो भी बहुत बिल्कुल सामने रहती है.
Okay. The cutest habit of Shivani?
क्यूटेस्ट हैबिट यही है बस शिवानी की कि जब वो चलती है तो ऐसे ऐसे बहुत करती है तो बहुत क्यूट लगती है. आप लोगों ने नोटिस नहीं किया होगा बट दैट शी डज ऑफ स्क्रीन एंड which looks very good and I think you should show them how you do it.
How you do it, Shivani?
How can I do that like this? I just do this sometimes.
Okay. Shivani's most annoying habit?
Annoying habit? Not really. I think she just needs to control her anger at times. Baaki to there is nothing which is annoying.
Okay. Shivani in traditional or western?
Shivani in traditional.
Okay. If you can sing a song for Shivani or Ravida, if you want, you can just Shivani.
You just said that I'm a very bad singer and a very bad dancer.
So
Okay.
sometimes
You at least a line.
I reframed my sentence that sometimes you sing better.
See, I'm such a bad singer that all of you would have to run out of.
No, we will stay here. We'll stay here. Don't worry.
Come on, even I'll help.
What do you want me to sing?
Any song for
Are you
Shivani
blushing?
as a friend or whether as a character, anything you can choose and you can sing.
I think I really like the theme song of our show.
Okay, if you can just sing along. Shivani, if you can help a little bit, do it. Girl.
जाना न दिल से दूर, मंजिल क्या है? धड़कनें थम गई तुमको देख कर,
तुमसे मिलने
की दुआ
जिंदगी बन गई वक्त की करवटें मौसमों के रंग हर सफर साथ हो
हर सफर संग संग,
कम ना हो एक पल प्यार का ये सफर जाना ना दिल
से दूर.
Wait, although Shivani is a good singer, but you're also not a bad singer. You're both pretty good. Okay, so romantic or angry Vidita? Which one you like most?
I haven't seen Angry Vidya till now.
Acha.
Acha.
Okay, sweetest thing Shivani has done for you?
For me, she has done many things.
Okay.
Like on my birthday, the cake that she brought,
Okay.
and she makes sure that everybody is around me on the set, production से लेके सब लोगों को बुला खिलाती, चलो केक काटना है, केक काटना है. So मतलब she's always involved in everything that is around me. So I really like that. I appreciate that.
Okay, Shivani's best physical feature, it can be anything. It can be her eyes, it can be her personality, anything.
Eyes for sure, and
Yeah.
and a smile.
Okay, how different is Shivani from Vidita?
Completely opposite.
Okay. Shivani's facial expression or her smile?
Facial expression.
Okay. Is Shivani a better dancer or singer?
She is a great singer and a
Okay.
fabulous dancer.
Oh, great. Shivani with or without makeup?
Both.
Okay. And are you thankful that you have Shivani as your co-star? And if yes, the reason?
I'm really blessed because there are very few times when you become so comfortable with your
Right.
co-actor, and I have become very comfortable with Shivani, and whatever the scene is, and we do it so professionally, and I really love her attitude towards her work, and she's always focused like me, like we both want the scene to come out really well,
Right.
and
That's one thing I really like about her.
so the efforts that I see in her to do a scene, I think that's unmatched. I really
Okay.
like that.
Rate Shivani in the following: actress, co-actress, friend, or human?
Friend
Okay.
and actor,
Okay.
co-actress,
Everything.
human. Yeah, she's everything. She's really good. She loves cat.
Okay.
Cats are on the set.
Okay.
Loves all of them.
So the last question for you is: Deepika, Shivani, and Alia, kill, marry, or hook up?
See, I can't marry, kill, or hook up Shivani.
Okay.
And I really like Deepika.
Okay.
I won't kill Deepika or Alia.
Okay. So marry and hook up.
They are too sweet to be killed. And marriage can wait. Hook up can start anytime.
So you are hooking up with both Alia and Deepika. You are.
Smart.
Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? And if yes, any fondest memory of Valentine's Day?
I never celebrated Valentine's Day.
Okay. Do you think it's overrated or just you don't find it?
That's not me. You
Okay.
celebrate days. It's
Okay.
Like प्यार का कभी कोई दिन नहीं होता.
Right.
That's what I feel.
Right.
So if she's in love, she would
Yeah.
celebrate it 365 days.
Yeah.
Right. And what about you? The same thoughts
Same.
Acha,
For me, there's
acha.
no special day for love. I think if you are in love,
Right.
every day is lovely and you want to spend with a better half of yours.
Right, but any special gift which you have received on Valentine's Day, maybe from your friends, because this is a day which is celebrated everyone with the loved
See,
ones.
most of my friends, Valentine's Day, we generally go out, we
Okay.
spend time together.
Okay.
Maybe we do a house party or we
Okay.
celebrate together. There's no gift giving and taking kind of things that happen. Really.
Okay.
I think we have crossed that age.
Yeah.
When in school time,
We have crossed the teens basically.
Yeah.
Cross the-
Everyone, I think, including your everyone has
Everyone.
crossed
So
that,
if
yeah.
I suppose if it's a Valentine Day and I gift somebody and the person in front would say, "यार तुझे क्या हो गया?"
Are you alright?
Okay.
Hi, this is Vikram,
Hi, this is Shivani.
and you're watching us on Eclipse Vision. Please do subscribe to this channel.